So here is the liner, and there are these little lines, and you're going to line up not by this first little line, but by the second little line right here. And that's where your first punch will go. So I've got these papers. I'm going to line the top of this paper up with that punch, punch. And then for your next punches, it tells you to count on the bottom. So this hole at the bottom will be 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to line this second hole up with this is 2, 3, 4. It goes right there. So I'm gonna, see that? There's the last hole. So I'm going to go below that and do 2, 3, 4. Get that in there. And it punched again. Take it out. And then again, same thing. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, the 3 dots that I'm going to use. 2, 3, 4, and then I've done this entire guide that I'm trying to do. And now, I mean, you can see they all line up really, really well. And then I'm going to add the spiral binding. It worked great.